Good morning, class 8th. Today, in 13th August, in your maths period, now in continuation of chapter 6, square and square roots, exercise 6.4. Now come to the question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So 402. So in question 4, part 1, 402. So first of all, we have to find the square root by the long division. Now from this side पेयर 02 and 4 का कोई पेयर नहीं है तो इसको अकेला छोड़ देंगे. Now come to the pattern of the find out the square root by the long division. So first we have to find a number which when multiplied by itself then it gives the value 4 or less than 4, because here is only 4. So number multiplied by itself that given the value which is 4 or less than 4. So we may find that 2 2 ja 4. So 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 ja 4 plus minus 4 minus 4 0. The next pair 0 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now in first step I have to complete. Now in second step 2 is the remainder, but we observe that 2 is smaller than 4, that's why 2 is not divided by 4. So it means the further division is not possible. Now 2 is the number which when we subtract from the given number. So 2 is subtracted from 402 from the given number. So 402 minus 2 is 400. This is the new number and we have to find the square root of this number. So now इसमें आगे पॉसिबल नहीं है तो हम आगे 0 लगाएंगे. That's why the square root of 400 is 20. Okay, we know that square root of 400 is 20. इसे आप लॉन्ग डिवीजन से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं और प्राइम फैक्टर से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो कम टू द प्राइम लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड नाउ. यस 400 पेयर. नाउ 2 ja 4 0. रिमाइंडर इज 0. पेयर में से 1 0 शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो आंसर इज 20. दैट्स व्हाई स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 400 इज 20. Okay, come to the next question. One more question. This is question 5th. 4000 part 2 3 4 as same as part 1. Now come to the 5th part. 4000 part 5th. Pairing of the given number. Now 40 is the first pair, so we have to find the number multiplied by itself and give the value 40 or less than 40. So we know that 6 ja 36, because 7 7 ja 49 is greater than the 40. That's why we have to take a 6 ja 36. Now 4 is here. 6 plus 6 12. Now the next pair double 0. Now 12 के आगे एक ऐसा डिजिट आपको अप्लाई करना है जो वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 400 या उससे लेस है. सो 1 2. सपोज देयर इज 2. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 4. So 244 is less than 400. Okay, 123. 369. 124. When take it 4. 4 4 16. 4 2 8 1 9. 414. 496 is greater than the 400. That's why we have to choose 123. So 3 is here. Now 3 3s are 9, so that is 369. After subtraction, 1, 10 minus 9 minus 6, 3, and this is 126. Now 31 is less than 126, that's why no division is possible. Now 31 is the number which we have to subtract from the given number. So 31 is subtracted from 4000. Now 4000 minus 31, the new number is 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 3 6, 9 3, 3969. Now we have to find the square root of this, so that is 63. So the square root of 3969 is 63. This is your answer. So there are two answers. One is the number 31 and the second one is the square root of this number 63. Okay? Yes. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Goodbye.